lot of people use motorcycles to de-stress, and you know, they call it their therapy. Some days it takes longer than others, doesn't it? I mean, I'm an optimist. I've had problems like you probably wouldn't believe, and I always see the silver lining in things, but sometimes the people you're around do not, and they don't appreciate things, and sometimes you're around people who are just having a hard time in life, and it makes them hard to be around. On a what are they called? On a list of things I did not think I would see today is this guy right here. Haha, look at that. Oh, that's hilarious. I turned around just to see that guy. Alright, my new riding buddy here. What does it say on the back of this shirt? Do not run me over, be nice. Alright. I love it. That's great. Oh, made my day. Man, it's alright to be different, isn't it? Maybe the guy just likes attention. Maybe he's got a passion for old stuff. Who knows? promising, huh? What kind of trees are these? Ah, that's beautiful, huh? Some kind of flowering tree. Ah, this is nice. I'm gonna come back here. Yeah, it's a nice place. We got, I'm guessing this is the Lehigh River. Nice little town. They love the railroad here. Not sure where I'm going, but we're gonna get there. Love exploring. Do I want to go over this river or do I want to go straight, huh? I think we want to go over the river. Lake Harmony. Well, I guess I am now at the monument to good old Jim Thorpe. Let's see. Jim Thorpe. Now, I don't think Jim Thorpe was from this town of Jim Thorpe. But that's pretty cool, huh? Nice looking artwork. Very cool. And you could drive through on the motorcycle. Not sure how happy they would be about that, but I don't think anybody's gonna care. Take a little break, do a little dance. A little love. Oh, that's no good. She's gonna tip over like that. What do you think? Not bad, huh?